Hi students, we are studying the lesson A Triumph of Surgery. In our previous video, we studied that Mr. Harriet suggested Mrs. Pumphrey to hospitalize Tricky for a fortnight. Mrs. Pumphrey was very sad, but Mr. Harriet, without any delay, he left the place with Tricky. Now let us continue the lesson. At the surgery, the household dogs surged round me. Tricky looked down at the noisy pack with dull eyes, and when put down, lay motionless on the carpet. The other dogs, after sniffing around him for a few seconds, decided he was an uninteresting object and ignored him. Here, surgery means you take in the sense of a hospital. As soon as Doctor and Tricky reached the hospital, all the other dogs they surged around Doctor. Surged means gathered around Doctor. Tricky looked at the noisy pack. Here, noisy pack means a group of dogs with his dull eyes, and when put down, lay motionless on the carpet. Then doctor put him down on the carpet. He was motionless, means he couldn't move. Other dogs sniffed him. Sniffed means audible inhalation through nose as if to smell something. It means dogs smelled him for a few seconds. They decided that Tricky was an uninteresting object, so they ignored him. I made up a bed for him in a warm, loose box next to the one where the other dogs slept. For 2 days, I kept an eye on him, giving him no food but plenty of water. At the end of the second day, he started to show some interest in his surroundings, and on the third, he began to whimper when he heard the dogs in the yard. Then narrator made a bed for Tricky in a warm, loose box with the other dogs. The narrator was observing Tricky carefully for 2 days, and he did not give any food to Tricky. He just gave plenty of water to Tricky. At the end of the second day, Tricky started to show some interest in his surroundings, and on the third day, he began to whimper. Whimper means to cry or sob softly or make a series of low sound. So Tricky, he started to make sound like that when he heard some sound of other dogs from the yard. When I opened the door, Tricky trotted out and was immediately engulfed by Joe, the greyhound, and his friends. After rolling him over and thoroughly inspecting him, the dogs moved off down the garden. Tricky followed them, rolling slightly with his surplus fat. When narrator opened the door, Tricky trotted out. Trotted out means quickly come out. Means he came out quickly. Then he was surrounded by Joe. Here Joe means a greyhound dog Greyhound means a kind of dog breed. And his friends, Joe and his friends, means other dogs. They surrounded Tricky. They rolled Tricky on the ground. They thoroughly checked him, and after that, all the dogs they moved towards garden. Tricky followed them, and he was rolling slightly because of his fat body. It means he was walking in an unsteady manner. Later that day, I was present at the feeding time. I watched while Tritson slopped the food into the bowls. There was the unusual headlong rush, followed by the sound of high speed eating. Every dog knew that if he fell behind the others, he was liable to have some competition for the last part of his meals. Later, the narrator was present at the dinner time of the dogs, and he was watching all the dogs. He watched the dog named Tristan. He slopped the food into the bowls. Here, slopped means spill over the container. It means while Tristan was eating, food was coming out of his mouth and it used to fall into the bowl. And all of them, all the dogs, they were eating with great speed because they knew that if they don't if they didn't finish quickly, then the other dogs, after finishing their meal, would come to eat these dogs food. So there was competition to eat quickly in order to avoid to not to share their food. When they had finished, Tricky took a walk round the shining bowls, licking casually inside one or two of them. Next day, an extra bowl was put out for him, and I was pleased to see him jostling his way towards it. When all the dogs finished their food, Tricky went around looking at the shining balls, and he also licked a few balls. It shows he did not get sufficient food. Next day onwards, an extra bowl was put for him, and narrator was happy to see him jostling his way towards balls. Jostling means to move through by pushing or push aside somebody to make way. Narrator was happy to see Tricky pushing other dogs aside in order to make his way to get his food. From then on, his progress was rapid. He had no medicinal treatment of any kind, but all day he ran about with the dogs, joining in their friendly scrimmages. He discovered the joys of being bowled over, trampled on, and squashed every few minutes. He became an accepted member of the gang, an unlikely, silky little object among the shaggy crew, fighting like a tiger for his share at meal times, and hunting rats in an old hen house at night. He had never had such a time in his life. From then on, his progress was rapid. It means he started to getting better quickly. The doctor was not giving him any medicine to treat him. Actually, Tricky started to play with other dogs. He used to run with other dogs, and he was participating in the friendly scrimmages. Scrimmages means here a rough or confused struggle or friendly fight. These all dogs used to play with each other, bump into each other, walk over each other, and they used to squash each other. Squash means to beat or press or to crush each other. Tricky became an accepted member of the group of these dogs. Other dogs they had shaggy hair. Means rough, long, thick hair or fur. But Tricky had soft, silky hair. Though he was small in his size, he used to fight with other dogs like a tiger in order to get the share of his food at the meal times. At night, he would hunt rats in old hen house, and he was enjoying all these things as he had never done such things before. Here we can understand for the first time Tricky is leading a normal life and he is enjoying it. Okay, let us stop here and we shall continue in the next session.